Hi, in this video, we'll be going over how to install Google Search Console to your website, and we will also be going over the basics of Google Search Console so that you're able to improve your organic traffic. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so we're going to be adding Google Search Console to this website here. So it's a directory website that we made in a previous video. So first, what we'll need to do is set up Google Search Console. So you'll need a Google account to set this up. So what you want to do is go to Google Search Console. You just use your Google account and then that'll give you access to Google Search Console. And then what you want to do is here in the left hand tab, just go to add property here. And then we're going to get our URL here at the very top. Just make sure it's just the root URL, the root domain. So in this case, it's just mapdirectory.wpengine.com. Okay, and then in this case, because it's a subdomain, we're just going to get the URL prefix here. But if you're using like a native domain, because we're using a subdomain here, if you're using a native domain like google.com, then I would recommend doing the domain. So it will cover all the subdomains as well. So because we're just covering this one domain here, I'll just do the URL prefix. Okay, and it's just asking for the HTTPS as well. And then click continue. Okay, great. So now what they want us to do is just upload this file to our website. So what we're going to do is just download the file here. Okay, so we're going to upload the file to our website. So what we're going to do is go here into plugins and click add new. And then we're going to do file manager. Okay, and install now. And then activate. Okay, it's here, and then we can just see all our files. Okay, and then we'll just need to load it to this directory here, just the root directory. Okay, so the file is here, so that should be verified. But I'll also show you how to do this version as well if you want to do it with the code. And you don't have access to, you just have access to the theme files. You might not have access to the actual hosting. So to do that, what we want to do is just add some code to the header and footer. So we're going to do add new, and we're going to do code snippet. Yep, so just this plugin here, then click activate, and then over here, just go header and footer, and this instructions it should go in the header section. So we'll just add it here, then click save changes. Okay, great. So now if we open our website and we view the page source and we search for Google, there it is. There's our verification code here. So yeah, so either or these methods you can use. So there's multiple methods. If you already have Google Analytics connected, that can work, or Tag Manager, or just doing verification through your DNS provider. But I think one of these two is the easiest to set up, unless if you already have Google Analytics. So we're just gonna verify it with the second one. Okay, great. See, ownership verified. So now we can go to property. It says please check back in a day or two just for the data to start collecting. Okay, so that's how you would add Google Search Console to your website. But if you're also looking for adding other Google products such as Google Analytics or Google Ads as well, then I would recommend using Google's plugin SiteKit. So we would go to add new and then search SiteKit, and you would install this one here. It's made by Google as well. You just click install and activate, and then you would just need to set it up here. Yep, and then you just sign in with your Google account. So just pick the account you want the Google Analytics and Google Search Console to reside on. Okay, so they verify ownership, turning on metrics. Okay, so allow. Okay, great. And it says it's already added to Google Search Console, but if you haven't verified it yet, then there'll just be additional steps that we did originally. Okay, and then we already have the dashboard here. Okay, so here's the SiteKit setup. So again, you'll have to set up Google Analytics as well. but I covered that in another video, so you can check out my channel for that. And then if we just search Search Console here, yeah, again, I'll just display the one we connected earlier. So that's 3 methods on how to connect Search Console to your website using code or plugins, using code or uploading a file, or using the Sitekit plugin by Google. So lastly, let's just go over how to utilize Google Search Console to improve SEO rankings. So what you want to do is just looking over here is just the performance. These are your key metrics. So these would just go over the amount of search traffic you're getting. And then also on this section here, it's just about which pages are indexing, which means which pages the search engines are able to crawl. And again, here is just the experience. So that's just your page experience here on the side. Okay, and then also just Core Web Vitals. So this is part of how your page performs. And then another important part is sitemap. So I have various videos on SEO, which covers how to create a sitemap. So you can check out my channel for that, but you would just enter your sitemap here. Having a sitemap is beneficial because it makes it easier for Google to crawl your website. So again, and just in the overview, it'll just give you the queries of all the keywords that you're ranking for, and also the amount of impressions, amount of clicks, and amount of traffic, and also your ranking. So again, these are just the pages which are being indexed. And then also here in the settings, you're able to invite users here, so you can add other people to view your analytics. And then if you'd like to delete the property, you would just click remove property here. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to install Google Search Console to your website and also learn the basics of Google Search Console in order to gain insights on how you can improve your organic traffic to your website. If you'd like to see more content like this, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.